Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix you can't use this feature right now error on your Facebook. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the error when you try to log in the Facebook account and you are seeing the error, you can't use this feature right now, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, I want to tell you this is this is the error what you're seeing is actually because of some spam activity on your account, like again and again login logout or any spam messages again and again, or if you are logging your Facebook account in any third party app, so you may can face this type of issues. So if you want to fix these issues, first you can leave Facebook for some time and try again later. After that, you can check whether your issue has been resolved or not. Still you are facing the issue, then you can use your Facebook Lite version. You can log in your Facebook account in Facebook Lite version app and check. After trying both these options, still it is not working, then open your Chrome, then type here facebook.com. Then you can log in your account from here. You can use your account from here. You will not face that error from your Chrome browser. After some time, if your issue doesn't resolve, then you can try some other settings. Just open the Play Store, then search for Facebook. If your Facebook app is not up to date, then update it from here. After updating, you have to not open your Facebook app, just open the settings, scroll down, tap on the apps, tap on see all apps. In this you need to find Facebook app, just tap on the search, then search for Facebook. Tap on the Facebook, once tap on force stop, then tap on storage and cache, once tap on clear cache. After that you will find clear storage. Before tapping delete, you have to read this carefully. This app's data including files and settings will be permanently deleted from this device. Means it will not delete your files, the settings and your Facebook account will be logged out. So after tapping delete, again you have to log in your Facebook account by entering username and password. After entering your username and password, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix you can't use this feature right now error on your Facebook. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.